Now, good morning everyone. Let's understand how to work with brackets. So here is the interface of brackets. Here I am just include a code that is a HTML part which we have discussed in previous section, the basic structure of HTML. So first of all you have to just include here doc type HTML. In every document you have to use it. Okay, so basically this doc type is the first line of code and is called our doc type declaration and tells the browser which version of HTML the page is written in. So here we are using the most up-to-date version of HTML, that is HTML5. Next is HTML root element. So here is the root element and here is the closing element of this. This is the opening one and this is one is the closing one. Okay, so now next is root element. Basically what it does, it swaps, or you can say it wraps all other elements are wraps under this HTML. So it wraps around all of the other code and content in our document. This element is known as root element, always contains one head element and one body element. So next move to head element. What is that? Head element is a container that can include a number of HTML elements that are not visible parts of the page rendered by the browser. That means only the title element is the only element that is required to be contained within the head tag. Otherwise when we use CSS files, we just use their names here to include or to use in our page, or when we done search engine optimization, then meta tags are also defined in this head tag. Okay, next is our body element. So body element, there can only be one body element in an HTML document because this element is the container that holds the content of whole document. Okay, so first of all you have to save this file by file save. As I have already saved this file by name welcome.html. HTML is the extension of this particular file. All the files which you will make in HTML have an extension of .html. Okay, so to run this file, just simply click here. It is the live preview. When you click on it, it will show the code in the browser. See, here is the browser part. So this one shows the title part, that is first page, and this is the body part. Here I have written welcome to our website, hello everyone. So it is the live preview of my this particular web page. Okay, so let's more understand these brackets. As I have explained that there are extensions in bracket. So here is the extension manager. When you click on it, you have a number of extensions here. We'll learn many of these. So first of all, let me show you how to these extensions. Just click on available and type autosave. See, autosave is basically used for automatically save the file. Okay, when you type the code, it will automatically save that particular file. So for that purpose, as I already installed, so that's why it is showing installed. Next, as I am using HTML comments, when you search for this HTML comment, so here is the comment part, comment button. So I have already included this, that's why it is showing installed. When you do it first time, then it is enabled. This button will be enabled like this, install. You can simply click on that and that will install in your bracket. See, let me show you where is the comment button. Here is the comment one. When you click on that and you want to make it as a comment, then simply click on it. It will just simply make it a comment. No need to write this tag. Okay, sometimes we make mistakes in writing this tag, that's why Here are the extensions part by which you can simply just click on it and click on this button. By this you can remove the comment or you can make it as a comment. So these are some basic things of this brackets. Also one more feature is there, view by split feature. Like there is a right now I am using no split. When you click on vertical split, see, now by this way you can work simultaneously on two files. One is this file, and suppose here you want to open another file, then you can use this. Okay, so by this you can see two windows at a time.